morning, everyone. Today I'm doing a daily vlog. Another daily vlog. I'm gonna start off by doing some skincare right now. Brushing my teeth, skincare, all that fun stuff. I also just got a second nose piercing, as you can tell. So I also need to clean that with some solution that they gave me. I'm also kind of switching up my skincare a little bit. I'm starting to wash my face again. Before I was just using the micellar water, but now I kind of just want to use that when I'm not wearing makeup during the day or like anything like that. I did get the Cetaphil face wash. I feel like it's the most gentle, basic face wash you can get. So the skincare routine is kind of changing yet again. I feel like it's always changing. But I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. I need to go to Ralph's to get a few things because I went to Trader Joe's yesterday, but I still need a few things from like the actual grocery, not the actual grocery store, but from Ralph. Also, I just have on a little skim shirt and some leggings, even though it's like 90 degrees. Okay, my teeth are brushed, my skincare is finished, and now I'm gonna go to Ralph's, and then when I come back, I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, we're back from Ralph's. I had a successful grocery store trip thing. I'll give you a haul of what I got, and you can tell me if I went overboard, okay? Off with the first bag, the first thing that I got was this huge thing of baby spinach. It was $5. The idea of what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight, so I think this is gonna be a part of my dinner, so excited to use this. Got some basil. This was 90 cents. Then I got some zucchini. Again, this is gonna be for my dinner tonight. I'm just gonna slice it up and put it in the pan with the other thing that I'm gonna make, which I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna make some of this and I'll probably just save the rest, obviously. Then I got one yellow onion and then I got two jumbo avocados. On to the next bag. Tonight's dinner, I got some fish. This is also reduced. Yes, that does scare me. It does say use or freeze by August 5th, and that's tomorrow. So I think we're good. This is the rockfish fillet, fresh wild caught. I don't know if I've ever had this fish before, but we'll see if I like it. I'm just gonna put it on the pan and with like butter and lemon and stuff, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna fry it or anything. And then I got some chicken broth and some rice noodles because I really want to make pho. I know it's like 90 degrees out, but I'm really in the mood for pho and I don't want to go spend $20 on it. I'm just gonna make it at home because I've made it at home before and it's pretty good. So then I got two Blueforia yerba mates. They were on sale. I usually don't get them anymore because they're pretty expensive for the can, but yeah, they were on sale for $2. So another thing I want to make for dinner this week is spaghetti and meatballs. I usually never crave spaghetti and meatballs, but for some reason it sounds really good. I didn't have any tomato sauce, so I got the cheapest one I could find. And for my fish tonight, I got some tartar sauce. I don't know how this would go with the fish. I mean, I'm guessing it would be really good with the fish because tartar sauce is usually good with like all fish. I also restocked my QP mayo, of course, because I literally put this on everything. And for the last bag, I just got the brown sugar shaken espresso creamer from Starbucks. I spend way too much money on Starbucks in the brown sugar drink there, so I just got the creamer. It's not the best creamer for you, but I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a little. If you know, you know. I've talked about these in other videos of mine. I'm obsessed with these. I had to get them. I got some plain Greek yogurt. Good to have for yogurt bowls, to use as sour cream, like a healthier alternative of sour cream. Also got some low-fat cottage cheese. Last but not least, I got some 2% reduced fat milk. I needed milk, so this is the one that I got. It's my grocery haul. I did some damage, but I'm really excited and I feel like set for a while, so yeah. Oh, my phone just, hi, who is it? I'm just gonna put all this stuff away and decompress for a second. I'm gonna take a second to breathe, and then I'm gonna make some food. I'm probably gonna have just some hard-boiled eggs and some berries. It's like 2 hours later. I put on my PJs, having a lazy day. This is a lazy day vlog, I guess, and it's only 1:30. I really need it to be nighttime. Let me know if you relate or ever have those days where you're like, okay, I'm just ready for this day to be over. Like, that's kind of just how I feel today. Yeah, as I said, I have my PJs on. I got a bowl of blueberries, and I also have this white cheddar popcorn that I got from Trader Joe's yesterday. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube and chill for a little bit. I'm just gonna finish the YouTube video that I was watching and eat this, and then we'll get up and do our stuff. I have literally been sitting watching YouTube for like way too long. So it's time to get up and it's time to go on a walk. It's really nice outside. Actually really hot. Like it was really hot today, but it's cooled down. It's literally 5 o'clock. Like that's how long I've been sitting here. I think I last filmed at like 1:30. It's literally 5 o'clock. I said it was a lazy day and I meant it. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw on some clothes, go on a walk, rinse off, and then we're gonna cook dinner. So yeah, let me get up because I can't sit anymore. Okay, so I changed, threw my hair up. I just put on a t-shirt and some shorts and my walking shoes. Now we're gonna head out. So I'll see you when I get back probably. It's like 5-ish now. So I'm gonna try to walk for like an hour, or a little bit over an hour. Come home, rinse off. I will do all the things. I just got back from my walk. It was so nice to just go outside and walk. Just so fun looking at all the houses in my neighborhood and just being outside, touching some grass, seeing nature. Like that was needed, and I need to do that every day. So that's like one of my main goals for August. It was on my vision board that I made for August, but I just want to be outside more and touch grass. I'm gonna jump in the shower and rinse off, and then I'll start cooking dinner after that. So I just got out of the shower a little bit ago. I just rinsed off, and then I put my PJs on, and I also have my slippers on. I put my favorite lotion on, Beach Waves EOS lotion. This is my favorite for the summertime. It's a new favorite. Usually I like the vanilla cashmere one. And I put on my vanilla perfume from Marshall's on top of that. This has been my go-to. If you know, you know. Like if you watch my videos, you already know this. But this is my go-to for years. I use the micellar water on my face just with a cotton pad, and then I just put on a little Cetaphil lotion on my face. I didn't want to do my whole skincare routine yet because that's for later. I don't need to do that right now. I want to make dinner. It's 6:45, but like I'm not that hungry yet, so I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit.